Imagine a mouse that enhances your focus with calming lavender, energizing mint, or custom scents, all while delivering pro-grade performance. The ASUS Fragrance Mouse merges ergonomic brilliance, think sleek honeycomb shell, feather-like grip, with a genius twist. Swap in fragrance cartridges that subtly diffuse aroma as you game or work. Its 12,000 dpi sensor glides like butter, RGB lighting syncs with your vibe, and the textured buttons feel addictively responsive. Sure, scent tech sounds gimmicky, until you realize how a whiff of citrus sharpens late-night marathons or eases spreadsheet stress. Lightweight, durable, and undeniably unique, this mouse isn't just for RGB fans, it's for anyone craving a multisensory edge. Priced like a premium peripheral but engineered like a luxury experience, ASUS proves innovation can be both functional and fun. Ready to make your desk smell as elite as your skills? This is your upgrade.